Alright guys, here we are once again in the beautiful town of Barnstable, Massachusetts. We're going to be taking a walk around the Sandy Street Cemetery. Let's have a look. Benjamin C., son of Benjamin and Ruth C. Parker, lost at sea, November 1871, just 18 years old. Susan, widow of Joseph Crocker, died October 16th, 1872, aged 83 years. Can't really quite get a reading on the name on this one. The date looks like 1844. These two up front here are smaller. I believe they may be that of children. This one I think says 1853, but I'm not 100% sure. You can't even finish reading it because the writing goes down into the earth. So it looks like I found the oldest stones that I'm going to find today. These two behind me, this one leaning here on the stump and then this one next to it, these are from 1796, I believe one of them is. Couldn't quite read the other. Let's head up close and take a look. Look at that beautiful design there. The angel says, in memory of, I'm not sure, Jonathan, I see, but I can't make it out clear enough to really make any sense of it. But if you look at the very bottom, the date is still intact. It looks like 1796. So far that's the oldest stone. And this one next to it as well, this one is dated 1796, I believe. Similar design on the top there, the angel. In memory of Miss Sarah, widow of Jonathan. I can't see a last name. You can tell it's fallen behind this stump and it's just been lying there for a really long time. No one's come to fix it. There you can see the date, 1790. Can't quite tell. In memory of Miss Eliza Crocker, wife of Mr. Arthur B. Crocker, died July 30th, 1830. Age 27, I believe. She was young. Calvin J., son of Ezra N. and Elizabeth C. Lewis, died April 19th, 1863, aged just 10 years and 9 months. The rose stays fragrant, though broke from the stem. This one just says, Our Darling. There's a name here at the bottom. See if we can read it. Nellie Marie Jones? Nellie Marin Jones, I'm not sure. In memory of Miss Reliance Hinckley, daughter of Mr. Prince and Miss Eunice Hinckley, died November 26, 1836, 52 years. Gustavus F., son of Freeman and Eliza Howes, died February 16th, 1839, aged 4 years old and 2 months. So as usual in these old Massachusetts cemeteries, all the older stones are up front on the road. And most of the ones in the back in the corner here are actually newer stones, but I walked a little bit around there earlier and I actually found one that was from a Civil War veteran. So let's head over there and take a look. Here we have a headstone from a Civil War veteran, Thomas W. Jones. A Civil War veteran, colonel in the 24th Regiment, Mass. Not sure what that means. Can you guys tell me? From February 28th, 1846 he was born to November 20th, 1927. John H.C. Lewis, lost at sea, 1872, at just 31 years old. His wife died August 2nd, 1878, at just 29. Samuel Weldon, died in 1826, 53 years old and 11 days. It's a beautiful stone. It stands out from the rest. In memory of Walter Whelan, who died in 1839 at just 25 years old. Harry W. Lewis, 1870 to 1926. And oddly, his wife, Ada B. Merrithew, 1875, and then it's just left blank, which is very odd. Georgiana M. died in 1875, maybe. It's really hard to read. Asa Jones passed on to the higher life February 13th, 1860, aged 73 years, 4 months. And Lydia S. Jones passed on to the higher life November 5th, 1872, aged 84 years. Daughter of Lemuel Snow, a soldier of the Revolution. In memory of John Bassett, died in 1839. This stone appears to be lying face down, which makes me wonder why nobody has ever picked it up. I mean, I understand some of the ones that are leaning over, but this one you can't even read. I'm surprised they maintain it. You can tell they mow the lawn, so I'm not sure who's responsible, but it's pretty sad. Well, it looks like 1796 is the oldest date we were able to find in this cemetery, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Once again, thanks for watching.